Hi guys, my name is Korey Family. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my Taylor Swift collection. So let's get on to the video. So to begin, I have this little Taylor Swift Reputation calendar. This was actually my sister. She got this last Christmas for 2018 and I just decided to keep it because why not? I also have Katy Perry Witness calendar, so might as well keep me some calendars. But these are the pictures on the back there. And then, I already know what a calendar looks like, but there was Taylor Swift Reputation calendar. Next, moving on, we have CDs. So technically I have her whole entire discography without 1989. So I don't have 1989 on CD, but I do have it on vinyl. But I'm just going to be showing you guys my CDs. First, we have Taylor Swift. That's what the CD looks like in the back. Taylor Swift Karaoke here, and it is a 2 CD there, and there's the back. And then we have Taylor Swift Holiday Collection, which I love all these songs on here because love me some Christmas music as always. There's the front, and then the CD there with half a snowflake on it, and then the back. And then we have her Taylor Swift Beautiful Eyes EP. I love the cover of that so much. And then you have the back with her eyes. I'd assume they are her eyes, but when you open it up, here's the CD. And then this comes with another CD on the back. It has some music videos, like Making a Picture to Burn, Tim McGraw videos, so some of her music videos from her first album. Next we have Taylor Swift Fearless Standard Edition here. That's what the CD looks like, and then there's the back. And then we have Taylor Swift Fearless Platinum Edition. This comes with the CD here and then the DVD with some music videos. So there was Taylor Swift Fearless Platinum Edition. Then we have Taylor Swift Speak Now Standard Edition. There's the CD there and then the back. And then also we have the Taylor Swift Speak Now Target Exclusive Edition, but she is wearing a red dress on the Target Exclusive. On the standard it was purple. And then we just have the CD there, and then we also have another CD which consists of more songs. So there was Taylor Swift Speak Now Target Exclusive Edition. I have Taylor Swift Speak Now World Tour Live CD plus DVD. This is what the front looks like there, and then the CD with the DVD in the back. And then there's the track list. And then we have Taylor Swift Red. I love this album so much. Hands down one of her best albums she has ever made. And then you have the CD there, which is upside down. And then the track list. And then funny thing is, for this next thing, I found this at my local Goodwill for $3. It was the Taylor Swift Red booklet with pictures and then facts and then parts for each song and then other pictures there. But I did notice that the CD was scratched, as you can tell there. There's a lot of scratches. I'd even tried playing it, but since I already had the standard edition, I'm like, why not pick it up and just add it to my collection? So there was Taylor Swift Red, little booklet. And then we have Taylor Swift Reputation. I love this album so much. This is what the front looks like, the back with the track list, and then this comes with a little poster here. If I can open it up. I love this picture here. So there's this one dress of hers, and then the other side wearing some Reputation merch. So there was this little poster. And then here is the CD. And the back, which has the CD there and the booklet. So there was Taylor Swift Reputation. Then next we have her latest album and her most amazing album that I love of hers. It is Taylor Swift Lover. I love this album so much, plus look how aesthetically pleasing the album cover is. Hands down, this is, I'd have to say, one of my favorite album covers that one of my favorite artists has ever done for their albums. I just love this so much. And then we have the back with the track list, and then the awesome CD inside. So there was Taylor Swift Lover. And then for Lover, I also picked up the deluxe album version 3. There was 4 of these versions at Target, but each of them cost $20 each, so I just decided to pick up version 3. And it just has parts from her diary, and then other pictures, and then a little notebook that you can write stuff in, like your own little journal. And then it comes with the CD. Here's the CD there. And then the booklet here, which just has all the lyrics to each song on the album. Then there is this awesome picture of her and during the photo shoot for Lover, which I love so much. So next I have both of Taylor Swift's Reputation volume magazines. We have volume 1 and volume 2. This is what volume 1 looks like in the cover, and then the back. I love that blue dress so much. And then there's just pictures of behind the scenes of her music videos, and then some photo shoots, which I love this picture here. And then there's just more pictures, and then a poster. So there was volume 1. And then on to volume 2, we have the front there. And then this awesome picture of her. And then same thing as the volume 1, just more pictures. We have a poem. And then behind the scenes, more pictures here. So there was Taylor Swift Reputation Volume 1 and 2 magazines. Next, I have some vinyl records to show you guys. First vinyl record that I have of Taylor Swift, it is actually a 7-inch record of Our Song, and it's just on this purple vinyl record here. I have Taylor Swift Fearless Platinum Edition on vinyl here. Here's the front, and then an awesome picture of her in the back. And then the inside with all the lyrics to each song on the album. So there was Taylor Swift Fearless Platinum Edition. Then I have Taylor Swift Red on vinyl, which this isn't the red vinyl, it's actually standard black. Most of the albums I have of her are standard black, like her first ever albums that she put out, like her recent 2 albums, Lover and Reputation, I have on colored vinyl, but this is just standard black vinyl. This is the front here. And then the back with the track list, and then the inside with the lyrics to each and every song, including pictures for the songs. So there was Taylor Swift Red, and then Taylor Swift 1989. Here's the front, and then the inside with more pictures for each song, so it's kind of the same layout as the Red album of hers. And then the back for the track list here. There was Taylor Swift 1989. But next I have Taylor Swift Reputation on picture disc vinyl. I love this album so much. This is what the front looks like, and the back, which I already shown you on the CD. But here's the first picture disc here. You can set this down. So there's this one here, and then this side. We have side C and side D. So there was Taylor Swift Reputation album on picture disc vinyl, and I also have the FYE exclusive of Reputation, which is on this stunning orange vinyl here. There's Taylor Swift Reputation. So lastly, for my Taylor Swift collection, I have Taylor Swift Lover on colored vinyl. This was a Target exclusive. So we have the front and back with the track list, and then the gatefold here, which I love this picture so much. And then for side A and side B, you have this baby pink record here. And then side C and side D, you have this teal / sky blue color here. There was Taylor Swift Lover on colored vinyl. So there was my Taylor Swift collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos, and see you guys later.
Pulling cold, ratty star on my chest. 11 years tells me there is little rest. Click clack of trains the cold. Stained glass images thrust in the sky. Heavenly quiet silence, friends by your side. Bitter smells, pressure rises, dust turned to dust. Life was betrayed in this sacred trust. Oh, photographs and memories on the page we did turn. Lessons in life we were too young to learn. You know, life that's long-lived can seem to go slow. So who are you to tell me it's my time to go? Blue skies, crisp air, sunlight surrounds. Swirling hell fell to the ground. Enter the day in the arms of my mother. Exit my life in the arms of another. Too young to learn, you know. Life that's long-lived can seem to go slow. So who are you to tell me? Photographs and memories on the page we did turn. Lessons in life we were too young to learn, you know. Life that's long-lived can seem to go slow. So who are you to tell me? Tell me, who are you to tell me it's my time to go?